Welcome. In this video I will show you how to slow down battery draining on your LENOVO IdeaPad SLIM 3 Chromebook. So the first thing that we should do is enable the power saving mode, which we can do by clicking the icon in the bottom right corner, then selecting the charging level. Now let's enable battery saver by switching this toggle to the right. Now it will, of course, lower our screen brightness to the level which is quite uncomfortable, so we can slightly increase the brightness level. Just do not overshoot. And besides, we can also disable the Bluetooth if you're not using it in the same menu. And we can also close all the demanding tasks we have running in the background. You can simply press the reset button, and if you have any tasks running in your background, you can close them. And you can also do the same thing with the processes, which we can look at by pressing Launcher and Escape buttons simultaneously. And if you see some tabs and extensions or any other tasks that are running in the background that you don't really need, you can select each of them and click End Task. And besides, let's also check whether the device is updated to the latest software version. Let's go to Settings, let's go to About Chrome OS, and let's check for available updates right here. Besides, also check firmware updates, and in the same system About Chrome OS menu, we can go to Diagnostics and check our general battery life. Here we can see our battery health condition. 100% means that your battery can be charged up to 100% of its capacity, and this means basically a healthy battery. But if this number gets significantly lower, then in order for you to resolve the battery drain issue on your computer, you have to replace the battery in it. And besides, I also have simple recommendations like not using your network when you don't need to, or checking your system preferences, going to storage management and freeing up your storage so that you have at least 10% of local storage available to improve your device's performance. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.